Hello my beautiful student. I guess you are doing well and you are preparing for your upcoming FA2 examination because that examination is knocking your door. So I don't want the exam to be a nightmare to you, so that's why I am here to help you out with some fixed question that you must gonna see in your question paper. So in those particular cases, some students they haven't started studying and they don't know from where they should study. Okay, so don't worry, I am here to help you out. So if you study these questions only, I can guarantee you to get 30 plus marks in your upcoming FA2 examination. So here I have covered 4 chapters: aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, chemical kinetics, amines and biomolecules. So without further delay, let's get started. So here you can see, here I entered only 7 questions, and if you focus on these 7 questions only, then definitely you are going to get 30 plus marks, or all the type of question that is coming out from the kinetics, you can answer them. So definitely you have to focus on the integrated rate law, the derivation. 1 3-marker question will be sorted, and then here you can see the Arrhenius equation, few factors that affect the rate equation, and that integrated rate law you should derive for the first order and 0 order reaction. That one mandatory question you can get out of it, and 3 mark will be common. Okay, and here if you just see the binary collision theory, 2 criteria for the effective collision, and trust me, that's gonna be enough. So yes, without further delay, please pause your screen and take a screenshot so that you can proceed in accordance to these questions. I guess you are done. Let's proceed for the next chapter. You can see here comes amines. So definitely from the amines, some conversion based question you can expect, but a few direct question also can be asked, like Gabriel thalamide synthesis or Hoffman bromamide synthesis. This type of reaction, they are direct question. Or Hindenburg reagent, how we supposed to differentiate in between primary, secondary and tertiary amine using this Hindenburg reagent. Okay, so these type of direct question you can get. So here some of them I mentioned, and another question you can see, carboxylic reaction. This is one of the most must-have question that you have to study from this chapter. So here comes that Hindenburg reagent, and now here you can see the Gabriel thalamide, and that one question that is related to the Gabriel thalamide, that is primary aromatic amines, they cannot be synthesized by Gabriel thalamide synthesis. What's the reason behind it? Okay, so if you do this much, it will be more than enough. And one more thing that commonly come in the MCQ type, that is the basicity order of the amines for the aqueous solution and in the gaseous phase. Okay, so that also you focus. So if you do this much, your amines part will be sorted. This much big chapter, I made it this much small to you. Okay, so let's proceed for the next one, that is aldehyde, ketones and the carboxylic acid. So here some explanation based question you can see. I entered 6 questions only. So here you can see first is between methanol and ethanol, which one will undergo aldol condensation. So definitely aldol condensation is going to be a target zone. Okay, and remember about the Cannizzaro reaction, don't forget. Okay, and there is a contradiction in between them, aldol and Cannizzaro, which needs the analyzable hydrogen and which doesn't need. Okay, so if you have the proper idea about it, you are going to sort it out. Okay, so next one is HVZ reaction. Next one is HCN, addition of HCN to the carbonyl carbon. Okay, so these are the question zone. Okay, another thing that you can study, that in aldehyde and ketone, that is included there in your NCERT book itself. So if you are having aldehyde and ketone, how you should purify the aldehyde from the mixture, right? So there you can use sodium hydrogen sulfide. That particular thing is already covered in a lengthy video where I answered all these questions, so please make sure that you are watching that particular video. Okay, next you can see here this things comes from the biomolecules. So I have entered only 9 questions out of it. So don't forget to proceed with the epimers, anomers, and Haworth projection of few structures, reducing sugar, non-reducing sugar. Now entire structural analysis of the glucose, and you can see all these 1, 2, 3, 4 these questions are actually structural analysis of the glucose itself. So if you proceed with this type of thing, this target zone, then I guarantee you are going to get 30 plus marks without further thinking. So please watch the full length video where I covered the entire solution part of this question along with some extra MCQs are also there. So without further delay, please go to that video, and to get such a more informative video, please join our WhatsApp channel. And if you want to get the PDF of these particular questions, you can join our WhatsApp team. They will also provide it there. Okay, so thank you so much. For more such informative video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.